Hey everybody, I tried out a couple of new products this week that I wanted to share with you in this quick video, and I also have a giveaway for this Santorini Tic Tac set. So in this video I used a Santorini Tic Tac set that I got from Heather Rocks Art. There's a link in the description of where you can find her stuff. It was really affordable and it's really cute. And then I also used these Tooli Art Acrylic Paint Pens after I had heard how great they are for painting rocks. So just to give you an idea of the size of this tic-tac-toe set, I got out my measuring tape, and the main square that you'll put the tic-tac-toe on is about 3 by 3. So for my tic-tac-toe pieces, I started by penciling in my coffee cups on half of the rocks and donuts on the other half of the rocks. Now, opening up the Tooli paint pens, it has very clear directions that you're supposed to shake and then vent it by pushing the tip down while it's upright, then pushing it upside down to get the paint to come out, and then recapping it. So I started off by shaking. And I took the cap off and I pushed the top a couple of times to vent or burp the pen. Then I pushed the pen on a piece of scrap paper until the color started to flow normally. I have been a loyal Posca Paint Pen user since I started painting rocks. I heard about these Tooli acrylic paint pens in a couple of rock painting groups and decided to try them. They're a little bit more affordable than the Posca Paint Pens, and they come in different tip sizes also. So I believe these are the fine tipped ones, so they'd be really good for writing. They're nice and thin. As you can see from the box at the start of the video, the box of Tooli Art pens has a few more colors in it than the starter pack for Posca Paint Pens. I also have to say that one of the things I noticed about the Tooli Art pens is that they don't splatter as much as Posca Paint Pens do. Sometimes when you drag the Posca Paint Pen across a surface, even one that's as smooth as a Santorini stone, it can kind of splatter the paint. And these were very smooth. I did not have that issue at all. So I was really happy about that. The tic-tac-toe set was one of the most fun projects that I've ever painted. Be sure to check the link in the description if you'd like to purchase some for yourself. Now, if you'd like to enter the giveaway to win this set, like this video and leave me a comment on what you think the theme of the next tic-tac-toe Santorini set should be.